interior de Puerto Rico hasta las 4:45 de la tarde. A las 4:03 de la tarde, el radar detectó tronadas fuertes cerca de Jayuya y Ciales. Estas tronadas estaban casi estacionarias. Podemos esperar vientos en ráfagas de hasta 40 millas por hora y nubes en bulos son posibles. This is a special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms will impact municipalities across the central and western interior through 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., the Blue radar was tracking strong thunderstorms near Jayuya and Ciales. These storms were nearly stationary. Expect wind gusts up to 4 miles per hour, but clouds are possible.
The tropical weather outlook issued at 1:27 p.m. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of America. Western Atlantic, a weak area of low pressure located a couple of hundred miles off the coast of North Carolina.